Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a tutorial of a video that I've seen all over Pinterest. I will insert that video clip here. And I could not find who created this video. There wasn't a name on this video. It was just repinned by the person at the bottom. So if you know who did this video, let me know and I will happily give them credit. So yeah, we're gonna try it and see how it works on my hair because in that video, her hair looks kind of short. But I just wanted to first say thank you guys so much for all the love on my birth vlog. It's been crazy with 2 under 2, especially when one baby is very colicky and the other just gets into everything. But we're managing, so again, thank you guys. But let's go ahead and get started. So what you want to do is just pull your hair back like you're going to put it into a ponytail. So just pull it through once, pull it through twice. And then the third time you're going to pull your hair tie open, but you're going to lift the ponytail up and then just pull the tail of the ponytail through that opening. And then just make sure you pull it all the way through. So it should end up looking like this, kind of like a little half bun. And now I'm just gonna kind of stretch out that little bun, that half bun. And then I'm going to start tucking in my ponytail into that bun. So I'm just tucking that tail all the way up through the bun. And I'm just using my thumb to kind of push it up in there. And then I'm just kind of spreading out the hair as I'm pushing the ponytail through it. And you just want to keep pushing it up in there until you don't have any of your ends left hanging out. I do recommend having a mirror or something behind you so you can see what you're doing. Unlike me, I can't see what I'm doing. I'm just kind of going with it. But once I have all my hair tucked in, then I'm just going to start bobby pinning it. So I'm bobby pinning the opening at the bottom, just making sure it is closed. And then I'm inserting a bobby pin at the top to make sure it's nice and secure. I don't want it flopping around. And any loose ends, I'm just kind of tucking up underneath the bun and bobby pinning those as well. And then I'm taking my hair and just spreading it around the bun so that you can't see those ends of the ponytail that we pushed up through. So it's all just kind of nice and even. And then just adding more bobby pins as I feel necessary. And then as always, I like to pull out hair in the front. So I'm just doing that on both sides of my head. Here's my postpartum hair. And then just pinching and pulling a little bit for texture and then adding some hairspray. And then this is what it ends up looking like. So it looks like that bun that you usually get with like a donut maker or a rolled sock. I think it's cute. It's definitely a fun little hack to try. If you try this, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your feedback and what you guys thought of it. So that is the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you found it helpful and we'll give it a shot. I think it'll work best for short hair and medium hair. If you have really long, thick hair, it's not gonna work for you. But before I leave, just wanted to show you my little baby. My little colicky baby. So cute. He looks just like Knox, just with brown hair. I would show Knox too, but he is now napping and this one's up, so eventually we will get you to say bye-bye like your brother does. Say bye. So don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Mwah! Bye.